Sai Hira Ram everybody, with the blessings of Sai Hiral Shah. Welcome back to Sai Hira Cuisine. Today we are making a comforting, flavor-packed Sindhi favorite that is as nutritious as it is delicious. Yes, it is our beloved Sai Bhaji. Don't forget to save the ingredients on your screen. Start by heating some oil and adding cumin seeds. Add the onions and saute until they become light pink. Next, add the ginger paste, green chili paste and a touch of spices. Give everything a good mix. Now add the tomatoes and cook until they soften. In go the fresh greens followed by the soaked chana dal. Add salt, a little water, mix well and pressure cook until everything comes together beautifully. Meanwhile, prepare a simple tadka. Saute garlic, cumin, hing and a little magic masala until it becomes fragrant. Pour this sizzling tadka over the sai bhaji and watch the entire flavor come alive. Finish with a garnish of fresh coriander. Serve it hot with brown pulao, yellow rice or fresh chapatis. Save this recipe and follow Sai Hira Cuisine for more kitchen magic. Sai Hira Ram.